I'm Chef Sabrina Breezy Arlotta, bringing you fun tips for the galley for a healthier chef life, right? So chefs, we don't have a whole lot of time for exercise, do we? No, because we're so busy cooking delicious food. But there are many opportunities to injure yourself, and we don't want to injure ourselves because we don't have time for injuries, do we? So what I think is really, really important is to use the heavy items in your galley that you have to come in contact with once in a while and do a bit of working out with them, right? So I'm gonna bend down here and pick up this very heavy KitchenAid blender. It's in an awkward little space in a low cabinet down here by a fire extinguisher. And now I need to be really careful that I'm gonna bend my knees and keep my back straight, right? Anytime we're bending, we need to do something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into a full squat. I can even put my elbows on my knees to give me a little stability, and I'm gonna grab a hold of this mixer and come back up. Wants to stay like that. So it's heavy, right? It's pretty heavy. And I like to just take the bowl out. And now let's say that we've used the mixer and we're done with the mixer and we're gonna put the mixer back. I like to lift the equipment that I'm using so that my body gets used to the weight of it. So I might do a couple little arm workout here, a little some curls with the KitchenAid mixer. I know it sounds really funny, but it does help with injury if you get used to picking it up and watch your back and watch your knees. Just pick it up, get used to picking it up and let the weight, right? You get a little triceps in there. Oh, yeah, it feels so good. Who knew that you could work out with kitchen equipment? But I find that it minimizes injuries because you're reaching in at a low level at a weird angle. And if you're not thinking, you can pull your back out or pull something out, right? I like to just do a couple lifts. Just gently, knees are bent, your legs are a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, and then just do some curls. You can even do some full body bends here, so bend your knees, arms are straight, shoulders, spine straight, head is up, and then we're feeling this in our legs. Oh yeah, that feels good. Then a couple more with the arms. And now every time you do this, let's go ahead and put it back in the cabinet. Again, bend your knees, watch your shoulders, put the bowl back in. And again, we're always bending, we're always watching what we're doing so that we can prevent injury. Because look, if you're injured, you can't cook. You can't cook, nobody eats. Chef is very important on yacht. People go hungry if you get injured. So take care of yourself, take care of your body, and use these little tips to keep you nice and fit and get your muscle tone going and your muscles a little bit warm before you start baking some delicious things. All right, have a great day. Join us next time for some more tips in the galley. Oh, whether you're on land or sea.